Amazing! Amazing, bro! Rah, rah, rah. Yo! What's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we're gonna react to Be First. This one is called Ryu. Cover BF Lab #1. So this is a new track and I'm curious to know what's up. So guys, without further ado, let's take a walk into this wonderful track. Peace. When these guys strikes, they strikes, right? Because their music, beautiful. It is just beautiful. Yo, bro is ready. I mean, like, it's my first time hearing him sing single-handedly, but his music, it's really awesome, bro. It's really awesome. There are some really good dance moves, some smooth dance moves, and to me, my preference is that I prefer them whenever time they are in the group. But to see this guy with just only a single by himself, it moves me, bro. It moves. I never know that every one of them in this group can sing so good. I always see them in groups. I always see them doing dances together. I always see them do many things together. But to see them like this single-handedly with just no one beside them, dropping good, awesome music, that speaks volume. My God, dog. Yo, yo, this is so smooth, man. This is as if it's butter, bro. Butter, man. Wow. Beautiful vocals. Yo, beautiful sound, man. Blah, blah, blah. As a Jamaican, this is what we call music. Loving it, bro. I am loving the movement. It's just so calm, so warm. This bring of how the song literally felt like. Yo, I'm enjoying this more and more and more. The more I listen, the more I want. Damn. Yo, I would sing this song to my woman, bro. I would tell her of how beautiful she is when I'm playing this song. Damn. So cool, man. This is so cool, bro. Yo. Bro, thank you so much for choosing music. Thank you all so much for choosing music. You guys are literally life savers. I do respect a man's work. I do respect a man's future, right? And to see him comes out giving us this track single-handedly, this says a lot. This speaks a lot. Though I can tell that he's so exhausted from this. Who wouldn't, man? Who wouldn't? Very good. Very good. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoy this reaction, please leave a like on the video, smash a subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.